Hello, welcome to our channel.
Yeah, let's see if we can, yeah guys, decided to put in some, because this garden gets really bloody dark. Let's see if we can creep up on Mrs. Stytch doing some work. Oh bless her, look, she's a good little worker.
This is good, doesn't it? Like,
tell you what guys, that's the carpet tiles. They're sopping wet. Isn't they, darling?
What's that?
They're sopping wet, some of those tiles.
It's great fun trying to get these nails out, I tell you.
Is it?
Yeah.
Also, that diesel heater is going to be mounted to the floor. All of that lot's going. Going to be all sorted out, isn't it, darling?
Yeah. There's enough nails in here. That one's screwed in. That one needs to come out. It's like, this is such a good angle. Bloody knees.
Don't you hurt yourself. Mrs. Stytch has got an injury to her knee at the moment, bless her.
Oh. Plus I've just done I did a day shift on Monday and then went back and did a flaming night shift for big pancake day. Let's get on my knees here. Ow. Ah.
I think that's every guy's dream, isn't it?
What, with pink socks on?
Yeah. But your other half says I'll get on my knees. Anyway, I'm going to wait.
Let's get this one out. This is a fucking stubborn one, I tell you.
Ooh. Language.
Oh, come on.
You see, here at Camp Renée, we believe in equal opportunities.
Oh.
Mrs. Stytch is getting hammered. Anyway, just a little one, guys. Say goodbye, darling.
So many days is yet to come.